Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Adobe Fonts for video branding workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Adobe Fonts for your video branding workflows, start by logging in to your Adobe account. Open a web browser and navigate to the Adobe Fonts website. Once there, ensure you're signed into your account using your Adobe ID. In the top menu, locate the My Adobe Fonts section. Click on it to access your activated fonts. You will see a list of all the fonts you have activated for your projects. Identify the font family you wish to withdraw from your active selections. To remove a font, click on the font's name. This action leads you to the font's details page. Look for the Deactivate button, typically found next to the font name. Click the Deactivate button to remove the font from your active selections. A confirmation message may appear, verifying your. Ensure that the font is no longer listed under your activated fonts. Next, navigate back to your video editing software. Open the project where the font was previously used. Replace the withdrawn font with an alternative font that complements your branding. Adjust any text settings, ensuring the new font matches your intended design. Finally, save your project to secure all changes made. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.